Hello folks, my name is Tarun and you are watching my YouTube channel ASE. So in today's video, we will talk about the whole process of the Tech Mahindra SUPERCODER and the ASE profile. The question asked in the assessment, the interview part and the coding questions which were asked in both the profiles, and also the most important part, which is the document verification, due to which I am unable to join Tech Mahindra. So the whole assessment process is divided into 5 parts. The round 1, which is aptitude test and ASE writing test. And the second part is technical and psychometric test. The third part is conversational test. And the fourth part is technical interview, and the fifth part is HR interview. So let's talk about the round 1, which is aptitude test and ASE writing test. The important thing is here is that each round is elimination round and you have to perform exceptionally well in all the rounds, as the final result is depend upon the collective marks of all the rounds, and that ensures your selection if you will perform very good in all the rounds. Okay, so let's start discuss the first round, which is aptitude test and ASE writing. So the first round is divided into 60 minutes. You will get 15 minutes for ASE writing, which is the second phase, and the first phase is aptitude test, in which you will get 45 minutes and perhaps you will get 30 to 35 aptitude questions in that round. And the level I think is perhaps easy to medium, as I have done in my time. So you have to make sure that you will do all the questions in time and also in right way, as a single wrong question will not lead to your selection. So kind my words. And also the topics which were important in the aptitude sections are like ratio and proportion, time, distance and speed, and pipes and cisterns. And these were the topics, or so compound interest, simple interest and compound interest. These are some topics which you can expect the questions from. And now let's talk about the ASE writing. So in the ASE writing part, you have to write 400 words of ASE in 15 minutes. And you have to be very fast, as 400 mark is very important to achieve. As one of my friend got eliminated from this round as he did not able to write in time the 400 words of ASE. So you have to write it very fast. Kindly practice in typing in the keyboard so that you can write in time the 400 words in 15 minutes. So let's talk about the next part. So the second part is psychometric test and technical test. So in psychometric test, you will get around 20 minutes to perform this, and in technical assessment, you will get 2 coding questions which you have to be done in like 40 to 45 minutes. And I am assuring you is that the coding questions are very easy in Tech Mahindra, but in this round, in the ASE round, as it is perhaps not very high package, so its coding level is not that difficult. And for example, the coding questions were asked like string reversal, and you have to find a letter in the string, and also you can like assume the number reverse question in this technical part. In the psychometric test, they will judge your personality and behavior. For example, I am giving you a question like, if in your office there exists gender inequality, so it is good or bad. So then they will give you 4 options. First option is like strongly agree, and then disagree, and then strongly disagree. And that question is perhaps is repeated many times but with different words. So they are testing you that you are marking the option only for that question, it's different in other places or not. So you have to be very careful in attempting this round, as it is really important and it is elimination round as well. And now the third round is conversational round. In this round, they will give you some audio and you have to repeat that audio in your own voice. Okay, so this round is not very difficult round, as you will get many different type of simple audios, and also you will get some story written on the screen, and you just have to repeat that story and they will record your voice. So this round is not really difficult. Now let's head towards the fourth and fifth round, which is technical as well as HR interview. So the technical interview and HR interview will happen face to face in Tech Mahindra offices, and I have to go to Pune location for my interview. The important thing here is to note that you have to clear technical interview to go to the HR interview, as in both the interviews are elimination round. So you have to be very good in the technical interview so that the interviewer may proceed you to the HR interview. Okay, so the difficulty level is depends upon the interviewer. It can be easy or it can be very hard. In my technical interview, the interviewer asked me questions based on the resume as well as my introduction. I have mentioned database management system a lot in my introduction. So he has asked about the queries, many SQL queries in the database, and also he has given me a questions which is based on the C++ programming language. He has asked about the questions like you have to I am giving you a string and you have to convert the string into its ASCII characters, like in the string if it contains like capital letters, so you have to convert it into a number, it's equivalent ASCII number. And the interviewer is quite impressed with this thing is that I knew about all the ASCII codes of each character really well. So it greatly impact my interview, and that's how I just selected to the HR interview. And for me, HR interview is not very difficult, as my technical interview is so good that he has given me very good marks in the interview. And then the HR interview is just like a formality for me. The questions asked in it like an introduction and why would you want to join Tech Mahindra, are you able to relocate or not, and that's all. My interview is just over and we will get back to home. After I got in my home, I got the result that I have selected for the ASE role in the Tech Mahindra around like 1 week after. And then I also got the document verification mail and also the super coder profile eligibility mail as well. But now the twist here is that the super coder profile coding test is very, I can say that medium to hard level difficult, as this time if you only solve the coding questions which were asked in the supercoder profile, then you will directly get the 5.5 LPA package instead of the 3.25 LPA package. You don't have to give any interview after that. So let's talk about the coding which were asked in the supercoder profile. You can also see the difficulty level of the coding questions which are asked from me in the supercoder profile. I have made a PDF file which link is pinned in the comment section. You can access it and have a taste of it. And now at the end, let's discuss about the document verification part of the Tech Mahindra, due to which I was unable to join this company. So if you get selected in the Tech Mahindra, then you will get an application form in the document verification mail, and that application form is very important. You have to be very careful while filling it. There is a place where you have to mention the academic year, like when you have started your course and when you are going to end it, and kindly make sure that you will fill it very carefully, as they have mentioned that they do not need more than 1 year of gap between two academic programs. And that's where I have done a mistake at my time. I have just mentioned a date which is just more than 10 days from 1 year, and due to that I got eliminated from my rounds. But I have mentioned to the HR that by mistakenly I have filled that date, but he don't even listen up and giving me another vague reasons for the my candidature cancellation. I can share you the screenshot of that, which you can see here. So in the screenshot you can see that they are saying they only take candidates from the 2023 pass out year, and also he has mentioned that I have completed my masters in 3 years, but I have done it in through 2 years, and I also gave him the proof of it by mentioning my degree certificate, but he did not even listen to me and just cancelled my candidature. So I am warning you that please do not do this type of mistakes while filling the application form, as they were not listened again. So now that is all about the today's video. I have discussed all the rounds and as well as the problem due to which I have just cancel my candidature in the Tech Mahindra. So if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can ask me over my LinkedIn profile and as well as my Instagram, and I have pinned the link of these in the comment section as well as in the description of this video. So let's signing off in this video, and I will track you in another video.